You bring it straight down the road. No, I forgot. But I will get.
Man. See if it'll snap if I keep the battery back. Oh yeah, it's trying. Oh, it looks so good snapping. Them lights on it, guys. Oh man, this thing's sweet, guys.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah, I love it, guys. I mean, I love it. I'm gonna have a safe on it, guys. I think I can see it good enough to tell. But, guys, I mean, look at the headlight, guys. I mean, it's so bright. The wing lights are just crazy. And then you got the top light that's blinking clear. Then you got the bottom light that's blinking red, guys. I mean, oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, this thing is sweet. Thank you, Mama and Cassie. Thank you so much, guys. This is probably the best birthday present I've ever had in my life, I'd say, right here. Maybe a vehicle, I guess. But